still only 2.6% of loan applications for the interruption loan are being approved, and it doesn't have to be that way. In today's short video, I'm going to talk you through the exact 10 things that you need for a successful interruption loan application, or at least to give yourself the best chance of accessing the interruption loan. So I'm going to share my screen with you shortly and go through that list. I just want you to know that funding is there. We've had 3 loans this week approved, a 200k, a 220k and a 50k loan, all approved, 0 rates of interest, 0 capital repayments for the first year, and spread over 6 years with low rates of interest after that. In 2 of those cases, the applicants applied to their own bank, were turned down, and then we reapplied for them, and to the same bank manager in one case, and got access to the loan capital. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and go through the list in case you wanted to take any notes real quick. And here's kind of how the interruption loan works as well. Okay, so your financials need to be in great shape. You need to have a written business case for the money. I just got off the phone with a client just this minute, and we were talking over the business, which has not made a profit for the last 6 or 7 months. However, there are reasons behind that. If they were to apply to any lender themselves, they would be turned down because, looking at the management accounts, which is the last few months, they've been making a loss. But there are reasons for that, and in the future, they've been investing in the business. In the future, they'll definitely make a profit. Prior to that 6-month period, they'll make a profit. It's just really bad timing. So you need to have a written business case in order to get the money. There needs to be a clear process, and there's a lot of information that's needed. And there's only a 2.6% loan approval rate so far. So you need a statement of asset and liabilities, okay, which you can get from your management accounts, the last 3 years certified accounts, detailed and full management accounts, credit reports for each director, a list of business debt, a positive balance sheet, okay? If you've got a negative balance sheet, accounting adjustments will have to be made, if possible, otherwise you will not be able to access this interruption loan. Pre-checking the metrics on your business as to whether the lender will pass your business through the first stage. So lenders will always pre-check. It might be the total cost of your wages versus your sales revenue. If you're a restaurant, for example, we know which metrics which lender is likely to test, so you can pre-test those metrics. Last 3 months bank statements for each bank account or open banking access. A detailed financial plan and cash flow. So now this has been relaxed so that you only need to provide a simplified cash flow, and we have a template for that, a business case for the loan. So it was a good business before, but it's been affected by the coronavirus, and now it's really difficult. It's either closed or it's been significantly affected negatively. You've got negative cash flow, but you'd be a good business after. So the cash flow is showing the amount of negativity in the bank balance, and that's how much you're applying for with the interruption loan. So right now, the way that we are helping our clients is inside a group that I put together with Tony Robbins called the Business Owner Survival Toolkit. It's a 90-day program. We are helping our clients by giving them the cash flow tools that they need, actually making the applications on their behalf to the lenders or to their own banks, reviewing their financials, making sure they've got everything together in order to be able to give their businesses the best chance of success. And as I said, it won't continue to be 100%, but at the moment, 100% of the applications that we've submitted have been approved. So if it's not likely that it's going to get approved, we would let a group member know and try our best to make adjustments to the accounting, the numbers, the cash flow, to give that business the best chance of success. So I hope you will come and join me in the Boss Kit program. Either click the link if you're watching this on YouTube, or swipe up if you're watching it on Instagram, and come and join us now. See you soon.